Here's the 3mm Depron thermal glider, motorised. Put a bit of colouring on it because I'm expecting it to thermal quite well. I now have a spar in the bottom of the wing. I just cut a slice and put a 6mm by 1mm carbon fibre strip in there. So it's a nice, reasonably calm day, nice and warm, so hopefully we'll get some thermal action. All up weight now is 277 grams, which gives a wing loading of 4.1 or something like that grams per decimetre squared. So the wing is a lot stiffer now. That's plenty stiff enough. Here we go. It's flying around a bit to start off with, it's going nose up. But that's pretty normal for gliders. I haven't worried about thrust angle or anything like that at all yet. Alright, let's go for a glide. Motor off. That's gliding by itself totally. Looking good. Really wants to float. It's doing little stalls there. I might need a bit more down elevator. Let's get up a bit higher and see what happens. There is a bit of wind around, so it will be kicking around a little bit. And I'm glad I put that colouring on there. Okay. There we go. That is floating. Very nice. Doesn't even look like it wants to come down. Very stable. Need a little bit of forward motion to reduce the sink. Let's go up high again. It's a bit like the Radian in that you can take your hands off the controls and it'll just do its own thing. I'm not touching it at all there, it's nice and directionally stable. There we go, we're in some lift now. Well, it's going pretty well. I think I'm going to try a thicker wing using the 6mm formers. Being so thin, it's very easy to make an odd-shaped airfoil, I suppose. It's working pretty well, but I'd like to try a thicker wing as well. Let's see if that gives more lift. But I'm very happy with this. Well, that seems to work well.